The fire's putting out some heat now. Dishes are all done, just waiting for some stuff to cool down before I put it away. Oh, that burger was good. Could only have one though. Couldn't eat more. Oh. Wagyu cheeseburger. Double cheeseburger. Mwah. Little bugs around, but nothing serious. It's actually quite nice. The wind's dropped right off. It's going to be a magic night. I might have to get some lights out. I don't think I'll use the big one tonight, just because the ground's hard and I haven't really set anything up yet to sort of clamp it. I've got to think of an idea. I don't know what to do. It's going to be a decision I have to think about hard, but I'll get the little lights out. And the little lights are in here somewhere. There they are. Put that away. I've got to rearrange this drawer. Stick one there as usual. One there. I might put one just up near the front of the car. There we go. And I'm grabbing a jumper. Right, jumper is on. There will be soon, I will need probably trackies. For now, let's sit down, enjoy the bush tally. Well, I put my trackies on, my legs kept getting attacked by little bugs. Obviously the stuff I sprayed, Bushman's I sprayed on wasn't working. But it is getting dark. It's nearly half a moon up there. I think I might just sign off here because I'm not going to do much apart from sit around the fire or the campfire and watch it. So I'll see you all in the morning. Good morning. That was a pleasant sleep. It wasn't cold, it was nice. I got up just in time for the sunrise. You see it coming in the trees across the bottom. And there she be, coming over. Oh. Oh. Bit of sleep. Oh. No real noise last night. One car on the other side drove past, probably half an hour after I went to bed. But apart from that, beautiful night. Oh, look at that sun. Beautiful. I definitely cheat when it comes to drinking water. I bring bottles. Probably could do it better. I haven't really thought of it, but at the moment, a carton of this sits on the floor of the back seat. Perfect spot for it. But yeah, the water tank I've got is more for washing, maybe showers and stuff like that. But yeah, this for drinking and cooking. Oh, the water's boiled. That way. Oh, that's hot. Oh, that sun is nice. I think I might get my chair out and enjoy. Sit here and listen to the birds. It's quite relaxing, really. This is just awesome. This is what it's all about, isn't it? Getting out in these parts. Doesn't matter where, just enjoying it, experiencing it. Wouldn't want to be anywhere else. Well, probably another nice spot or even better spot than this, but this is living to me. Oh. How peaceful and calm it is if I shut up. Yeah, time to put shorts on. Magic. The bugs are getting up now, they're waking up. How beautiful is this? Ah, look who's walking up. I don't know if you guys can see them. Just there, waddling up. 2 ducks. I think they think they're going to get a feed. Enough water left to do the dishes. Well, wash my cup and spoon. There's Mr. Kookaburra. Let's see how close they come. Suppose I can't sit here all day. I've got to pack up and head off to another spot. Oh. So peaceful, but it's good. The flies are getting friendly, I must say. Ah, bugger it. Let's pack up. Rooftop first, eh? Well, MaxTrax are all put away. Well, the one I used. Thanks for watching. I'm going to hit the road, head off to the next spot. We'll see you in the next video.